In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate MailerLite with Framer. Let's begin by creating a form in MailerLite. We begin by designing your form in MailerLite itself. This process is straightforward, allowing you to customize your form as needed. After you have completed your design, make sure to save your work. This is an essential step, as it enables us to access the saved form later in the process to extract the required information for integration with Framer. The second step revolves around finding the unique URL associated with your newly created MailerLite form. To find this, look for the HTML embed code for your form. Within this code, you will find a specific action URL that we will need later on. This URL starts with https://mailerlite.com, GSO-OMP, and ends with subscribe. It's important to note that this is not a general URL, but strictly associated with the form you've designed. So keep track of it as we'll need it in subsequent steps. After identifying and saving the URL, move on towards your Framer project interface. At this point, you should navigate to the form that you wish to integrate with the form that you have designed in MailerLite. Once you open the form in Framer, you have to select the Submit button. Now, here comes the critical part. On selecting the Submit button, a right-hand Properties panel will appear. You will find an option saying Submit To. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with multiple choices. From these choices, you have to select either Custom or URL. Once you've done that, a new field will appear where you can input the URL that we saved earlier from MailerLite. Paste your copied MailerLite URL into this field and proceed to the next step. The final step involves mapping the fields of the form in your Framer project to the corresponding fields of your MailerLite form. It's of utmost importance to get this right because incorrect mapping can lead to incorrect data being collected or miscommunication between both platforms. Be especially sure about the critical fields like name and email, as these are the foundation of your mailing lists. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you will be able to integrate MailerLite with Framer successfully. With these easy steps, you can effectively manage your email marketing directly from your design interface, enhancing productivity and streamlining your workflows.